Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Charge the camera, install the official app, and enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Once done, power the camera and open the app on your phone. The app needs permissions to scan networks. Tap the app's Connect or Add Camera button and watch for the camera's SSID or QR code prompt. Make sure you're within 10 feet for a stable initial link. If the app asks, choose Wi-Fi hotspot mode for direct pairing. Next, you'll configure the network and finalize the link. If the camera broadcasts an SSID, choose it in the app and enter the home Wi-Fi password. Alternatively, scan the camera's QR code to autofill settings. Once connected, the app often prompts to name the device and check for firmware updates, accept updates to fix bugs, and enable features. Make sure your phone stays on the same Wi-Fi while updates install, and avoid closing the app until the process completes. To finish, validate the connection. Open Live View, record a 5-10 second clip, and confirm the file saves to your phone or cloud. Adjust recording resolution and stabilization options in the app so files match your needs. Once satisfied, enable auto sync for seamless backups. If you encounter problems, try power cycling the camera and phone, forget and rejoin the camera network, or perform a factory reset on the camera. These steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.